Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. Please subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? Okay, to start with, it's two kind of basic chords. And it's a very easy song for someone to improvise a solo to. And I'll show you how to do that also. But to begin with, let's learn the chords here. So it's going to start out with an A major, which is going to be your second finger on the second fret of the D string, your third finger on the second fret of the G string, then your pinky down here on the B string on the second fret. So you got an A major. You want to make sure you hit this open A string with it too. Then you move up to this B minor chord where you're barring the second fret. Then you're going to put your second finger on the third fret of the B string, your fourth finger down on the fourth fret of the G string, then your third finger on the fourth fret of the D string. So those are the two chords. Then it has this kind of a simple little lead intro that goes. To play that, you're going to hit an open E, second fret on the E, open A, second fret on the A, then you're going to slide up to 4, then you're going to slide it back, open A, 4 to 2 again, So that's basically the song. So there is a scale you can play over these two chords, and you can make your own leads to it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You're going to do the second fret on the E string, fifth fret on the E string, then on the A string you're going to go 2-4. On the D string, 2-4. On the G string, it's going to be 2-4. On the B string, it's going to be 2-5, and the E string also. You can also hit an open A and an open E in this one. So during the solo, and I don't personally know the entire solo for the studio version, but it's a sort of an improvised solo. off of those notes in that scale. And I think this is a G flat minor pentatonic scale. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think it is. So you can also move this entire scale pattern up to the 14th fret. That's an entire octave up. It's the same pattern down here. So that is the song, and it's a good song for a beginner to learn the chords and play along with the song. It's you should be able to play it from beginning to end, and it's got a neat little strumming pattern, and I think it's a good song for a beginner to learn. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and have a good day.